We all know what season it is up north. But down here on Florida's nature coast, it's endless summer. Let's undo you, stay, and then you're free to go.
Come on, dog, I gotta put your life jacket on. Wait, this dog is so smart. Before I even started getting ready to go.
Well, if you remember episode 1, we were able to walk straight onto the boat. Well, the elevator has gone down. The boat is about 6 feet lower, so this ought to be not much fun trying to load today.
Info. Tides. There we are, just at the bottom, starting to come up.
Low tide, very low tide. So 4 o'clock it'll be high. When we come back in, it'll be high tide.
This allows us to do some scary things. We can go out in really shallow rocky water and try for redfish and trout, because if we hang up on a rock, the tide is rising. We just wait a few minutes and get loose.
All right, first idiot move of the day. Almost forgot my hat. I would fry out there. And there it is. Phew. One thing you do not do is spend a day in full Florida sun, even here in late October, with no hat. All right, I got to do some major reorientation here, so everybody pay attention and hang on.
It's pretty good.
Somebody's in the way here. There's a good one. It'd be hard to find them in there, but okay. Well, you look at this now. I'm driving. Cap decided to relax.
Take your dip once in a while.
Take a what?
Take your dip.
A dip?
Dip.
Oh, I look all the time. Right now we're looking at 9 feet, so we're good. All right, we've beached ourselves on No Fish Island. Today's strategy is fish from the island. Good thing I brought my wet shoes. All right, while I was eating lunch, the captain went out fishing and came back with a magnificent keeper redfish. Look at this guy. Holy
as
mackerel.
usual, the person who fishes catches fish, and the one who eats lunch doesn't catch anything.
Yeah, but I got fed and you didn't. Look at that guy. Wait a minute, I gotta hoist him up here. Oh, he's slimy. Oh, that's a beaut. Look at that guy. Nice fish.
18 and a half. 19
Oops.
maybe.
All right, the first mate's going ashore. Luckily, I've got water sneakers. Grab my stuff, grab a pole, and head out this way to where the big old redfish was caught. That was a beaut. Look who's joined me out here on Redfish Island. Lucy, where's the fish? Tell me which pond to fish in. Which way? This way? Thanks, Lassie. I mean, Lucy. So I gotta walk a bit of a distance out here. And the last time I went wading out here, I fell over and cut myself to smithereens on oyster shells. Not fun. I'm heading this way, and here's my rig. So the captain's way over there, the same spot where he caught that nice redfish. And I'm right here. And who knows who's gonna get the next one. Well, there was a little minor catastrophe there. My cork busted off and flew away, so luckily I've got some spares. Everybody seems to have wandered over to the boat except Lucy. She's just chilling on the sandbar over there.
Well, I'll put this up on the sand.
So while I was away, the captain threw his cast net with one cast. This guy got a million of them. Oh man, they're flying all over the place. Whoa, they're jumping out. Get back in there.
Mullet.
Perfect.
Yeah. Catch. We need a lid.
Yeah, really. Come on, Lucy, we're leaving. Come on, doggy. Slowly walking this way. Do-de-do-de-do-de-do. Take your time, Lucy. No rush. It's Saturday, every day of the week. Did you have a fine time running? Oh, you're all sandy. Yuck. We should send you swimming. So we bid a fond farewell to No Fish Island, which is now disappearing, becoming No Island. But we can't call it No Fish Island because we caught a keeper redfish and a ton of mullet for bait purposes, so we're good. All right, we've arrived a couple of miles offshore, not terribly far, but we're in one of the channels here, which has structure and therefore fish. And allegedly grouper are to be found here. The tension rises. All right, we're getting very scientific now. We're trying to find the edge of the channel.
Got it. Drop it.
And find a good spot for the anchor to get dropped.
It's heading behind us because the boat is still moving. There. Now it's straight down. I want somebody to catch something.
Yeah, really. All right, we're all fishing. It's calm. Lucy's not that calm. She's got dirt all over her. And we're all fishing with big old mullet, live mullet off the bottom. I'm waiting for a fish. Captain just caught a rainbow fish.
What'd you catch it on?
This jig with a paddle tail.
Well, it's not a grouper, but it's a fish.
How could I not catch something with that water?
Lucy, what is it? I think it's one of those deadly venomous cormorants floating about 100 yards away. Lucy's defending the home turf here. What is it, Lucy?
Jump in and get it. Oh, she's cracking at the buoy now.
That's a buoy. That's a crab pot buoy. Don't worry about it.
Which bait was that? Your dead live bait?
Yeah.
Oh boy, maybe we're in the zone.
Could there be something down there?
Still something there.
All right, there was something down there because the bait got bit in half. Sorry for the gore, ladies and gentlemen. Late afternoon and we're heading back in. And, at a moderate speed, good enough for trolling. Didn't get much out there. In fact, I got nothing. Well, after a lot of patience and work, I got myself something big. Big knot of grass. My lure's hiding in there somewhere. There it is. Congratulations to me. I'm now a vegetarian fisherman. Well, I thought we were headed home, but we got to go to the gas station.
Yeah, that's where we're headed.
Yeah, gotta get gas to keep this puppy running. Not this puppy. This puppy. So we probably couldn't have asked for a better day weather-wise because it was about 6 or 7 degrees cooler than the last time we were out there. It was still pretty toasty warm, but the wave conditions were very ideal. We didn't get skunked. I got skunked. That guy back there didn't get skunked. He's got dinner. Maybe next time. Thanks for being with us. Good night, everybody.